Welcome to our channel, Always Secured Automation. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of calibrating a magnetic flow meter. Proper calibration ensures accurate flow measurement, so let's get started. Calibrating an electromagnetic flow meter is essential to ensure its measurements remain accurate, reliable, and compliant with industry standards, thereby safeguarding process quality and efficiency. Electromagnetic flow meters, often known as magmeters, measure the flow rate of conductive fluids in pipes. These devices employ a magnetic field and electrodes to generate a voltage proportional to the fluid's velocity. How to calibrate an electromagnetic flow meter? There are several methods to calibrate electromagnetic flow meters, each suitable for different situations and levels of accuracy required. Wet calibration. Wet calibration is the most accurate method for calibrating these flow meters. It involves passing a known volume of fluid through the flow meter and comparing it to the meter's reading. This process is typically performed in a calibration lab or on-site with the use of a portable calibration setup. Types of wet calibration are: 1. Full flow calibration. This method uses a calibration facility where the flow meter is installed in a test loop. A reference meter of known accuracy measures the flow rate, which is then compared to the electromagnetic flow meter's readings. 2. Gravimetric calibration. In this method, the fluid is weighed before and after it passes through the flow meter. The difference in weight over time gives the actual flow rate, against which the flow meter's readings are adjusted. 3. Volumetric calibration. Similar to gravimetric calibration, but instead of weighing, the fluid is collected in a calibrated tank or vessel for a specific period. The volume is then used to determine the flow rate. Dry calibration. Dry calibration, also known as simulation or electronic calibration, does not require the flow of liquid. Instead, it uses electronic signals to simulate a flow condition, and the flow meter's response is checked against expected values. Types of dry calibration are: 1. Field simulation. For in situ calibration, technicians use a calibration device that generates a current or voltage signal simulating specific flow conditions. The flow meter's response is then compared to these simulated values. 2. Factory calibration. Before installation, flow meters can be dry calibrated at the factory using precision calibration equipment that simulates various flow conditions. In situ verification. In situ verification is a non-intrusive method that checks the flow meter's performance while it is installed and operating in the process line. This method typically involves software and diagnostic tools provided by the flow meter manufacturer. That concludes our guide on how to calibrate magnetic flow meters. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out our other videos on flow measurement and instrumentation. See you next time.